Grade 11 and 12 electricity tariffs. How would you deal with tariffs? We have given this table and a question to say that we should calculate the VAT inclusive price of a person who have used 400 kilowatt per hour. Not to forget, this amount here, all of them, they're VAT exclusive. So what you need to do is very easy. The first thing that you should do here is to find the difference between these blocks. We have block 1, block 2, block 3. That is the only block that you must find the difference. You can tell that from block 1, they accommodate 0 to 50. Block 2 accommodate 51 to 350. Then block 3, is the one that accommodates 351 to 600. But if you look at our given units is 400, they don't reach 600. For that reason, when we are dealing with the calculation, you just take your a pencil, you analyze this. Instead of having 351 to 600, we are now going to have 351 to 400. Use a pencil. You don't want to stress much. You know that the highest amount of kilowatt given in the question is 400 kilowatt. We don't have 600 here. So you can just create your own interval to say that is 351 to 400 instead of saying that to 600. And then from there, you begin to calculate your difference. If you look at the intervals, we have numbers at your left-hand side and numbers at your right-hand side. At block number 1, you are going to say 50 minus 0. The answer is 50 as your difference of block number 1. You write it there with a pencil to say 50. Block number 2 and block number 3, you are no longer going to use numbers at your left-hand side. We are going to use numbers at the right-hand side and subtract the previous number or the number from the previous block also at the right-hand side. The only number that we use at the left-hand side is 0. Then from there, we are no longer going to touch any number at our left-hand side. We are going to deal with only right-hand side numbers. So if you look at the numbers at the right-hand side on this table, is 350 and 50 and 400. So it's to say that we are now going to say, instead of you saying that 350 minus 51, you are going to say 350 minus 50. Not to forget that 350 is the number at what? At our right-hand side, and 50 is also a number at the right-hand side. The difference there is going to be what? 300. We have 300 as a difference. Then we move to the next interval. The original interval is 351 to 600. But because what we have used, it does not exceed or does not reach 600, we have cancelled the 600 and write 400 there to make things easier for us. So the interval on that one, you are going to say what? The number at your right-hand side is 400 minus the previous interval right-hand side number, which is what? 350. The answer is 50. So this is our difference. We're having 50, 350. And if you add them, yes, they're going to give you 400. Then the next step is very easy. You just multiply the difference with a price. Difference with a price. Difference with a price. You are done. So So calculations, we are just going to say the total amount is going to be 50 multiplied by 0.9015. The next one is 300 multiplied by 1.0161. The next one is 50 multiplied by 1.3594. If you check here, I've just multiplied the difference with the price, difference with a price, difference with a price. And then from there, you just take a calculator. You say 50 multiplied by 0.9015. You find that your answer is 45.075. The answer here is 45.075. We'll move to the next one. The difference is 300 multiplied by the price of block number 2, which is 1.0161. We find that our answer is 304.38. The answer here is 304.83. We move to the next one. It's 50 multiplied by 1.3594. $1.3594. Then our answer here is 67.97. Then the total, we just add everything here to find our answer. Just add everything. We know we are having 45.075 plus 30, 304 comma 83 plus 67.97. We find that the total here is going to be 417.875. Don't forget, it's exclusive. This is exclusive price. And you are requested to calculate what? The inclusive price. So for that reason, you're just going to take this exclusive price, inclusive, the inclusive is going to be this price, which is 417.875 multiplied by 115 divided by 100. So you take this amount that we have, you just multiply it by 115 over 100. Then you find that our VAT inclusive is 480.56. That is how you're supposed to answer VAT or tariffs, electricity tariffs, grade 11, grade 12. Please leave your comment on the comment section if you have a question. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.